This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Read the stabilizer transformer manual fully before installation. Unpack the unit and inspect for shipping damage carefully, checking for dents or loose parts. Place the unit on a level, ventilated surface with at least 3.5 inches clearance around all sides. Ensure the stabilizer rating matches your supply, such as 120V or 230V, and confirm the kVA rating meets your load needs. Turn off power at the main breaker before proceeding with any wiring or mounting steps. Connect the input live to the L terminal and neutral to the N terminal. Use appropriately sized conductors. For loads under 15, use 14 AWG, and for higher loads use 10 AWG or larger. Attach a dedicated earth conductor to the transformer ground lug using a M6 bolt and verify a low resistance path to building ground. Tighten all terminal screws to the manufacturer torque specification and secure cable glands to maintain IP protection. Label input and output conductors clearly for future service. Power on the stabilizer and verify output voltage reads within plus or minus 3% of nominal under no-load conditions. Apply the load gradually while monitoring voltage, current, and temperature, stopping if any reading exceeds rated limits. Replace filters every 12 months or 10,000 operating hours, and inspect fans monthly for dust buildup. Log voltage and load readings weekly during the first month of operation, and then monthly afterward. Schedule a professional inspection every 2 years to test windings, insulation resistance, and tap changer alignment to ensure long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.